Right before this video starts, I just would like to say that I have a new camera. It is a 4K camera, but I don't have all the equipment I need to run it 4K. I still need a good SD card, but nonetheless, it is a superior camera to what I had before. It's a pretty much a high-end camera. So the next videos will pretty much be in 4K. This one will be at 1080p, so full HD at 60 FPS. So let me know if you guys see a difference. Comment down below, the picture quality. I'm using the same microphone, a high-end microphone, but my sound setup changed a little bit with this camera. The sound recording is a lot better and clearer. So I'll see what I could do to play with the sound. But yeah, leave in the comments just what you guys think about the picture quality. It should be a whole lot more crisp now. And also the sound quality, what you guys think. If I should, work with the camera to make it a little bit clearer or anything. And if I should lower or put the sound a little bit higher. But yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, so this is pretty much the official outline of the workshop. I started debarking the logs, which I think is like the worst freaking step into making a cabin, just taking all the bark off. Takes forever, it's just a tedious process. I have about 10 logs, and I'll need maybe 20 to 30 more just to finish this little workshop. A little 10 by 10 workshop, so it's really a lot of work. And that's all minus the planks for the roof and everything that comes with that. So it is a lot of work, but as you can see here, I moved the logs as best as I could. Nothing's level, obviously. I would like it to at least have a height like this off the floor, so 8-10 inches to 12 inches a foot would be really nice. So I'll jack these up on stumps, kind of like the cabin itself. I would love to put big rocks underneath, but I mentioned before that there's none around here, so that would be pretty hard to do. But yeah, I'd like to jack up each side. This one might be a little bit lower than the other side, just because I'm on a hill and it's at like a 20-degree angle. I still need to dig out more dirt for the foundation's gonna help it out a little bit. But yeah, so once this is all level, it will be a 10 by 10, so that's gonna be nice. This log still needs to come in more, but my cord is there, so I'll need to move that over, chuck it over there like I did before with the other logs on the other side, or split some and bring some inside just so I know that there's dry wood for the winter. But yeah, so another good day's work here. I try to make it not too tedious. I cut out a lot of stuff that I do, just so the clip isn't like 10 minutes long of the same boring thing. But yeah, another good day's work. These logs are the biggest logs that I cut. They're pretty big, so they were really heavy to drag here. But at least I did it. Give the old back a break. I know that some people don't really like it my way that I work, so they say I need pulleys and come-alongs and stuff for logs, which I have all that. It's just too heavy. I don't want to bring it here. I need to bring it in the winter with my sled, and it's just stuff that I didn't really think about. So I'll do what I can here with my bare hands, literally, and yeah, I'll see what comes out of it. But for now, for today, I'm happy I got my little foundation done. Next video, I'll probably start moving all the wood, debarking. I won't film too much of that just because I find it super boring. Move all the logs, level everything out, hopefully get some stumps in, and hopefully one day start stacking up the walls. Yeah, time to relax a little bit now and drink some water because it's pretty hot.